guys, today I made hair mask of fenugreek seed and flaxseed. It comes out like this, like jelly. I don't know how to apply it, but it comes out like this. We have to now apply on our face. Oh my god, what this is. है ना, कुछ तो भयंकर है ये. Yeah, we have to apply on our hair. So we are applying like this. Let's see. So yeah, we are applying this hair mask. What is this यार? छी, ये क्या ही बना लिया मैंने. लेट्स सी, अप्लाई करके देखते हैं कुछ अच्छा मिलता है या नहीं. सो sometime I think that at what point our life become very smooth and easy, but I read somewhere that life will never get easy or smooth. In life always a problem always exists no matter what, but the thing is, what type of problem do you want in your life? A bad problem or good problem? There is difference between problems, good problems or bad problems. Oh my god, इसको कैसे अप्लाई करूँ इस जेल को? Oops. So yeah, good problem and bad problems. So good problems like we are struggling for our making our career and in and a good relationship, right? So these are examples of good problems. Bad problems like unnecessary problem, people's opinion. You are affecting from people's problem, people's opinion, right? So oops. We have always choice in our life. What we choose in our life, that makes whole sense or making our life wholeheartedly. So choices defines. What is this here? By the way, I'm trying this first time. Let's see. Let's see what result. I don't know how to apply, but I'm trying to do my best. Oh, so what I'm telling to you guys, that in our life there are choice that matters in our life most. If we choose good problems in our life, then we will surely live our life with dignity. If we choose bad problems like drama, gossips, laziness, and arguments, unnecessary talks with people's, so we have to choose smiles in our life. We have to choose that from now onwards, 10 years from now, how our life will become, how we want to live our life. So self-care, like this, I'm doing self-care, right? Or self-love is more important in life, because if you do self-care, then you are able to love someone. If you do not love yourself, then you are not able to do 100% your 100% to love someone, right? So make yourself proud. If you have no one to cheer you, you have to cheer yourself. Doesn't wait for someone. to cheer you in your life. Understand? नो नो नो, चेहरे पे रिस्क नहीं लेने का. बालों में ही रिस्क ले लेंगे पूरा. You know, these are expiry flaxes, but after making gel of these seeds, I get satisfied. But let's see what comes out, what result comes out from my hair after applying this gel. So I have to do some house chores after applying this. I have to do jhadu pocha, right? So because yesterday there was thunderstorms and loo, lot of sand enter in our rooms or hall, so I have to clean because I'm living alone. So there is no option, I have to do it. If I can't, then my other things also get dirty because of that dirt, right? So this is my hair mask. I applied fully root to my length and length. So become best version of yourself, guys. It is only you who can stand by yourself. Nobody come to you to get out of your comfort zone. You have to do by yourself. No one came. Understand? My English is so you know na? Yeah. So here I have less hair. I hope after applying this it will get better soon. Okay. Guys, these lights, how it looks. Tell me in the comment box. So I'm feeling better. It's cooling effect in this. Okay. This is my another way of applying remains gel in this bowl. Yeah, yeah, it's done now. So we have to stay this 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll wash my hair. Then let's see what's the result. Right? We have to make one juda. In Hindi, we say juda. Right? Yeah, this is my juda, guys. Right? See my hands clean by applying this. So yeah, दिख तो रहा है result. So let's see what happened. I'll share to you. But within 30 minutes, I have to clean my home. So I'll meet you soon after a break. Yo, bye.